Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another update on our project in Raytown, Missouri. We are fast approaching the end of this project. We're just finishing up the last King Pier 2 hole from inside the basement here. The other two are just about ready to go. The three on the outside in the trench, which we dug to relieve the pressure off of this foundation wall so we could straighten it. Those three holes are done. So we are looking at tomorrow to get the King Pier 2s installed, raise the footing back to its correct level elevation. And then also tomorrow we'll finish up putting in the last of our steel H-beam wall braces. And that is, you can see we've already put some in place to keep this eastern foundation wall vertical. Because once we straighten it, we want to keep it vertical. So that's where our braces come in. We like to make sure these projects have as much structural stability as possible by the time we're done. So we don't use I-beams like a lot of other companies do. We use H-beams. They're stronger and they're much more longer lasting than what an I-beam would normally be. But that is pretty much where we're looking at today. We'll get all these holes finished up and then start getting everything ready as far as getting the piers, and we'll get those into place tomorrow morning. Maybe we'll be able to do concrete as well. We'll see on that. Worst case scenario, we'll do concrete here to finish up on Wednesday, and then try to finish up the backfill and the crack repair here. Finish up the backfill on the outside Thursday and get everything complete Thursday. So just a couple days left on this project, but it's moving right along just as planned. We're making the footing, the foundation of this home much more stable and structurally sound than it was before we started this project. So this is turning into another good one for the King Piers team here. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC if you have not visited either of those pages before. We have hours of footage detailing just about every one of our projects over the past few years. You can see our King Pier footing support pier system at work. Step-by-step process on how we go from excavation to installation. You can see how we straighten the foundation walls back to vertical. You're seeing footage right now how we're keeping the foundation walls vertical. We detail how we get our braces into place, how we straighten the walls. You can even see videos such as our stone foundation renovation projects, one which we just completed last week. So we have hours of footage detailing just about every one of our foundation repair projects that we have. So again, if you have not visited those pages before, we'd really appreciate a like and subscribe if you take a look at that. But again, you can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call at 1-816-288-4373.